National Grain Storage Extension Project. We know that to have a successful fumigation, we need to ensure that we've conducted a pressure test to give us the confidence that the silo is gas tight and going to hold the fumigation. Often we find the pressure test does not meet the standard, and therefore we need to check for the leak points and add the maintenance that's required to get it back up to the standard. Common points that I'd be checking: the fan, number one. We've got a seal plate here that is required to seal the intake of the fan. Just make sure it is tight, that the rubber on there has not been damaged. Often I see on the much larger silos with large fan intakes, really difficult in design to get the seal reliable there, so look closely at those large fan seal plates. The other place I'll be squirting my little soapy water bottle at to look for leaks is that base. So a common place, all sorts of different designs as we're aware on the base outlet for a silo, some good ones and some not so good ones, so just check for leaks there. And the manhole, the seal around there, the seals can get damaged on those lids. Good to see when there's a system of actually tightening up the pressure on that silo, particularly when we mightn't have the weight of grain in there to make the seal. Okay, let's look to the top. Obviously the intake top sealing lid up the top, particularly now we see more and more ground level opening lids available. We still need to see a system which turnbuckles, which actually tighten that lid down nice and evenly around the whole lid. Other places I'd be looking closely at the vents. So you've got aeration hopefully on your silo, venting on the top, particularly those say gooseneck vents that you'll find on larger silos, a critical place to check for leakage. We'd like to see them against the roof ladder so you can get access to them for maintenance. And lastly, if your silo is fitted with recirculation, that point that goes into the roof, into the headspace as part of the recirculation system, just check there are no leakage points around there. So use that soapy water well and detect those leak points, fix them, and you're back with a silo where you can successfully fumigate.